Good morning, F2. Today I want you to join in doing your phonics with me. So first I'm going to recap the phase 2 sounds that we already know. So see if you can join in saying the sounds with me. You ready? S, A, T, P, I, N, D, G, A, K, 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 E, O, R, B, F, L, S, J. Now pause the video and see if you can have a go at saying those sounds by yourself. Let's see if we can use some of those sounds to read the words. You ready to sound out with me? You could put your finger on each letter as you sound it out. Ready? G, ass, grass. J, U, G, jug. See if you can do this one. Let's do it together. B, E, L, bell. Time to practice our keywords and tricky words. Remember, some of these we can't sound them out, they're tricky, so we just have to look at them and practice saying them. So my turn, 2. Your turn. That's right, 2. I go to the park. Get. Your turn. Get. I get my bag. Well, this one's a really tricky one. We've practiced in school. The. Your turn. The. The door is open. My turn. Back. Your turn. That's right. Back. I go back to school. Put. Your turn. Put. I put on my coat. Let's see if we can use those sounds to read a caption. Ready? You can use the picture to support. So, Jack and Jill on a hill. Can you spot the digraphs in that caption? I can see the K digraph and L digraph. Can you spot them? Let's read it one more time. Using your finger to point to the words Jack and Jill on a hill. Do you notice how the J sound looks like a capital letter? Because they are the names of the children. We're doing a new phonics sound today. You might have this sound in your name or recognise it from some of the words we use. See if you can say it together. V. Your turn. V. Say it with me. V. The name is V and it sounds like V. Do it together. The name is V and it sounds like V. I wonder if you can think of any words with the V sound. Let's have a look at the next slide and see if you can say any of the words with the V sound. We've got some here. Volcano. You say it. Volcano. Violin. The girl is playing the violin. Vampire. And vegetables. Can you think of any other words with the V sound? Maybe you could draw them in your learning book and practice writing the V sound next to it. Next, we're going to have a go at reading some V words with our sound buttons. Ready? So like at school, we press the sound button to say each letter and put it back together to say the word. Ready? Let's do it together. I'm pressing the buttons. Are you? V, et, vet. V, et, vet. So you could do it a little bit quicker. Vet, vet, vet. You can pause the video and have a go at practicing reading the word. Go at another one, pressing the sound buttons together. V, a, n, van. V, a, n, van. Can you think of a sentence you could put the word van into? I go in my van. The postman has a red van. Oh, this one's a little bit trickier. How many sounds can you see in this word? Count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds to make this word. Let's sound it out using the sound buttons. V, e, s, t, vest. Together one more time. V, e, s, t, vest. I put on my vest. Right, this is our favourite part, the speed read. So you can show your families at home how you play the speed read. So first, we'll practice saying all of those words together in the speed read. Then I want you to pause the video and see how quickly you can say those words by yourself. Are you ready? Let's do it together. V, a, n, van. V, et, vet. V, at, that. Vest, vest. This one's a tricky one. Ready? V-is-t. V-is. Oh, I made a mistake there. Let's do it together. V-is-it. Visit. That is a tricky one. Let's do that one one more time. V-is-it. V-is-it. Oh, I bet you could do a much better job than me. I made a mistake there. So see how quickly you can read those words now with your family. Ready, steady, go. Now, this is where you can have a go at practicing writing the V sound. So see how many times you can write it. And start at the top, holding your pencil. Go down to the bottom and back up to the top again. It's like an upside down mountain. So see if you can have a go at the V sound. And when you've had a go at writing the V sound, I want you to see if you can write my words. So you can do this in your learning book. So let's have a look at the pictures and see which words I want you to write. You see the first picture. What do you think that is showing you? You say it. Vet. See if you can put the word vet onto your sound fingers to help you with your writing. So say each sound and put your finger up and write it. Ready? V, et, vet. What's the next picture showing you? It is a van. Van. Let's put it on our sound fingers. V-A-N. Van. One more time. V-A-N. Van. See if you can write it down. The phoneme frame on the board is showing you how many sounds are in your word. So if you're finding it tricky to put on your sound fingers, count the boxes and see how many sounds you need. So we know that the last picture has got 4 sounds because there are 4 boxes. So let's say the word. What is it? Vest. So let's put that on our sound fingers to write it. Vest. V-E-S-T. Vest. One more time. V-E-S-T. Vest. So you can pause the video and have a go at writing all of those words. You might be able to think of some more words with the letter V, the sound V. So see if you can write some more. I would love to see them in your learning book. So our last job using our new sound is to have a go at reading the caption. Can you spot it? Can you spot our new sound V in that sentence? See if you can point to it. That's right, it's at the beginning of van. So let's read the sentence together. Get your reading finger, follow the words with me. A, red, 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 van, van. Now put it all back together. Let's say it from the start. A, red, van. One more time. A, red, van. Your turn. This is your challenge to see if you can have a go at writing a sentence using our new sound V. So we've had a go at writing words with the sound V. We've read a sentence, but your challenge is to see if you can write a sentence. So have a look at the picture. What can you see that might help you with your sentence? I can see a vet on a jet. A vet on a jet. So listen to me say the sentence. You can stop the video and see if you can write that sentence. Try and include your finger spaces. That is the gap in between each word so that we can read it better. So listen to my sentence and see if you can write it. A vet on a jet. I'll say it one more time. A vet on a jet. So you can pause the video here while you write it and then check on the next slide to see if you have got it right. Well done. Let's read it one more time with our reading finger to check. And you can check your writing to see if you have got all the letters in the right order, all the words in your sentence. Ready? A vet on a jet.